Hey guys, so I am here bringing you, showing you my Temu haul. Okay, so anyway, you know, sometimes you just don't know what you're going to get when you order from Temu. Well, I guess I can say that about anybody, right? Because you can order it, that doesn't mean they're going to send the correct thing. So anyway, let's get on with this order. All right, so this, I'm going to get it out of here. This is a window shade that just it's self-adhesive. Oh, right here, you just peel it off and pull it down, and you have a window shade. I don't want to take it out because I may not be able to put it back in there until I get ready to use it. But yeah, I did catch this when it was on lightning sale. I know I did, but remember how much it was? I don't. Maybe like $7-8 for this window shade. Anyway, let's get on with the other stuff. Whew. Okay. All right. Okay. What is this? Why is the bag empty? I don't know. But anyway, okay. I'll just put that there. I ordered me some shower caps because I don't wash my hair in the shower. I wash my hair in the sink, and I got tired of my hair being wet. So I ordered these shower caps. I think I actually thought it was one. I don't know. I didn't look to count, see how many it was, but this is 2, 4. They're cute too. Okay, this one is different. Like little hearts, purple and pink hearts. And this is like a blue, you can call them blue flowers, blue clovers, or whatever. However your eye sees it. And these are the same, like different color flowers. These two are the same. I hope they fit my head, baby. Look like it should, but looks can be deceiving sometimes. I'll see. I shall see. All right. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this is, let me take it out of here. This is foot soak. Oh, this is what was in the pack. This is Deluxe Pedicure. Deluxe Pedicure Jasmine Relief Foot Soak. I didn't buy this for me. I bought this for Rudy. And with that, if I can find it in here, I bought some like little foot wraps that after I soak it. Wait, okay, I'm going way ahead of myself. Well, I'll show you that later. Anyway, let's get on with something else. Okay, I bought these strips. You can put these strips around, if you're having like leakage or something coming up. I put them around the back of the sink because and I had some before. They really work well. That's why I ordered some more. And it really works really well. They haven't came up or anything. So yeah. They also have some that I didn't order this time, but they have some like clear tape that you can use for many things. But what I use it for, it's I use it for around the sink also, but that part is for the white part of the sink, and the clear tape that I bought is for like around the sink where the plaster that's coming up, and yeah, I bought that around the silver for the silver part. I put that around there to seal that part off, and that is working really well. Also, I have 2 or 3 of those already, so I don't think I need any more right now. All right, so the next thing I purchased was this multi-pack of toothbrushes. Yeah. Okay. Uh-oh. I'll pick it up later. The next thing I'm showing you is this. For these, I'll just show you. I hope they work well. I do. You know, just peel it off, and I guess it's peel off, and just put it in your forehead. Because, yeah, anything I do is start, any movement, wrinkle popping up. So, let me see. It looked like this. Yeah, you can see the adhesive on the back. And all you do is just put it like that on your forehead. So I'll see how well that works. This is a 10-piece. And like I said, most of this in this bag I caught on the lightning sale. And I will try to list the prices below, but that still doesn't work because, you know, they may have a lightning sale, or they may have lowered the sale, or lowered the price, or, you know, put the price up. So you know, you really can't tell with Temu. All right, so my other granddaughter wanted some bracelets. She had put them in a cart. All right, so this is a pack of bracelets that she wanted. There's more. Oh no, not this. This is for me, an eye patch. For my right eye. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna be wearing it. I'm gonna be wearing it. Because, yeah, my right eye interferes with me, you know, me seeing things correctly. I see 2 instead of 1. So cause that's why I close my eye a lot, because I don't want to see 2 things. Anyway, here's another bracelet for her. That's cute. I bought me a mask. This is a collagen mask from Sadur. That's what it looks like to me. Sadur. Okay, that's how I'm pronouncing it anyway. All right. Another bracelet. I actually thought it was a necklace, and I actually ordered one for me and one for her, but it's actually a bracelet. So let's look. All right, so the title of this video, what is this, TV? What is this, TV? What is this? I know that I would have not ordered this. Seriously, I know that. And this is toilet cleaning tissues. Toilet cleaning tissues. They have a little demo on the site. You know how they have the little films where you can see how it works. And they say you just take one of these little sheets, take one, put it down wherever the toilet, the floor, because they had multiple uses for it. The toilet, the floor, the grill, whatever. You just put it down. You know, of course, it has to be wet, and you scrub, and it lathers up, and yeah, you have your I don't know how clean that's going to be, but I'm going to try it out since I have it, because I don't know, it must be psychic, because my toilet, it I don't know, it just seemed like it's all of a sudden it's has hard water, because we don't usually have hard water here in my part of Georgia. The water is nice, but the hard water and look like little specks down in the toilet, and I said, what's going on? I just cleaned it. I don't know. So anyway, must be something going on with Columbus Waterworks. All right, so here's another cute bracelet for her. Yeah. She wanted more. She had put more in the cart, but that's all I got her. Okay, let me take this out. Is that another bracelet? Let me see. Oh yeah, another one. There's another bracelet. All right. And these are like smile pads or frown lines or whatever. You see how they work, right? You just take that adhesive off and go around here. Yeah. Yeah, I definitely ordered these. And this is the foot cream. It says moisturizing skin, improves dry skin. Okay. Well, they have the little video also that for, you know, your feet. And I got this for Rudy. How did I open it? Because I opened it. Okay. This little cream. Little cute container. I'm trying to open it. It will not cooperate. Does it screw? Yeah, it screws off. Girl. All right. Has a little slight scent. It's not overpowering. It smells nice. Look how little that is. Let me put some on this, like callus right here on my hand. It feels nice. Not bad. Yeah, it smells nice. So I got this for after the foot soak, and when I put the these feet gloves on him. Gloves. So I'm going to put that on after he soaks his feet. I'm going to rub some of that cream on and then put this on his feet. Yeah. And if it works for him, yeah, great. So I think that is all for this haul. Yeah. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed watching. I always enjoy watching Temu hauls. I do. Because sometimes you get ideas, you know, excuse me, or you see things that, you know, you may want to purchase or have forgot about. And you see it on a Temu haul and okay, there you go. And you can just go immediately put your put that in the cart, and yeah, there you go. So anyway, thank you guys so much. I hope all of you are well, safe, and healthy. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified. Share, sharing is caring. I love you guys so much. I hope all of you are having a wonderfully blessed day, living this best life, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.